So my friend, this is Amit. All 23 IIT. Say for score what you should have to get CSE, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering and lower branch in IIT college. So please try to watch this video up to the last. Advanced 2025 CSE branch cutoff for top 7, top 15 and lower 30, that is lower, you can say up to the last. So there is three type of college in IIT: top 7, 15 that is average, lower 23 that was established in 2016, average 2008, and earlier was 1956, 1960 like this. Those were top 7 college. So here is the information: general 700 and 2.5 thousand, that is after slash the data is for female students, so kindly check it properly. And average 3.5 thousand and 8,000, lower 7,000 and 12.5 thousand. EWS 140 and 450 rank, that is for top 7. These are category wise rank. For general it is CRL rank, and for other category it is category rank. For average, average IIT 500 and 1.2 thousand male and female, lower 1.1 thousand, 2.2 thousand. OBC 400, 1.5 thousand, 2.5 thousand, that is top 7, 15 and 23 male student. After slash you can check for female, and top 7 means top college, average college means middle one, and lower means the up to 23rd college. SC 200, 800, 1.3 thousand, after slash you can check for female SC category. ST 110, 400 and 700, after slash you can check for female. Now I will discuss a very important thing, that is after all said and done, that is once you get the score and everything, you have to do the counseling carefully, JOSA counseling, otherwise you will not get the college. So be very careful during the counseling, and for that you can contact me as soon as possible, so that you will be in my touch, and so that you will not do any mistake, whether you should go with the lower NIT college or private college, or lower NIT with CSE, or better NIT with lower college, or IIT with lower branch, or NIT with CSE branch. So different thing I will be discussing continuously with you, so that you can take the right decision for yourself for your BTech career. So hi friends, here I will introduce about my complete counseling guidance and mentorship to provide you the best possible college across India. All type of counseling I will guide you. JOSA counseling, JAC Delhi, CSEB, as well as JAC Chandigarh counseling. Here as other private engineering entrance exam like BITSAT, Manipal, VIT, COMEDK, AEEE, SRMJ EEE, KIT, as well as lots of counseling will be done based on the private college PSET, as well as the LPU, and also MST, CET, WBJ. So I will be guiding you for all entrance exam counseling process, and that is for choice filling, decision making, whether you should join this counseling or that counseling, which exam you should appear, whether you should go with this branch or that branch, because I will explain you the scope of every branch, syllabus of every branch, so that you will find your interest. It is not only counseling, but it is career counseling, so that your career will be better. Here you will get service like personalized choice filling, one-to-one call, message session, video session, Google Meet session through my app. I will be contacting with you, live session I will be taking with you, and all time I will be available. Whenever you want, you can text me, call me, all time I will be available. So now I will discuss for electrical engineering. Top 7, 2.3, 7.3, 10,000. It is for top 7, 15 average, and lower 23 means up to 23rd college, last college. General, after slash you can check for female student. EWS 460, 1.2 thousand, 1.8 thousand. OBC 1.2, 2.4, 4.4. After slash you can check for female OBC and EWS. SC 650, 1.6, 2.5 thousand. It is after slash you can check for female again. ST 400, 700, 800. Now if we talk about for mechanical, again top 7, general 5,000, average 11, lower 13,000. EWS 900, 1.8 thousand, 2.5 thousand. OBC 2.4, 3.5, 5.5. After slash you can check for female student of each category, and all the rank that I am providing you, these are the category rank. For EWS 900 is the category rank, not the general rank. For general it is CRL rank. For SC 1.4, 2.2, 2.6 thousand. ST 600, 900, 1100. Now I will discuss the lower branch, means anyhow if you want to join the IIT college, how much marks or rank you should have. For general 18 and 26,000, and marks 120 and 116 you need to get for male and female. EWS 3 and 5,000, 120 and 105 marks. OBC 6.5 thousand and 9,000, marks requirement 117 and 101. SC 3.5 and 5.5 thousand, male and female, that is category wise rank I am providing you. Marks requirement is 70 and 58. ST 1.5, 1.8, marks requirement 60 and 56.